With this, though, now let's put it in the contents of this case where you have the issue of the death penalty here, and you see the families there, and all of us are shaking our heads that there were so many, I mean, red flags. I mean, this was a red flag. This was a universe of red with Nikolas Cruz. That he appeared to want to be the bigger, better mass shooter, going to Gino Montalto's parents yesterday. Tony Montalto, who said, you know, you got to stop idolizing them and giving them airtime to be the bigger and best shooter, because that's what this kid was doing. So do you have to give him the death penalty to send a message?
You know, I mean, I think that that's what this prosecution is doing. He was certainly looking, Mr. Cruz was certainly looking for ways to get away with it, because he was looking at how to escape. How long does it take the police to show up? So I think maybe in his mind, he thought he could get away from it. The arguments that you hear against the death penalty, none of them fit in this case. You've got a known mass murderer who admits to the mass murder, and you have all of these aggravating factors. I mean, talk about knowing, and talk about done without any, kind of, feeling at all for what, the kind of damage you're going to do going into something. This is a textbook case for the death penalty, if there ever was one. You cannot say that, that you might have the wrong person, which is often argued in death penalty cases. You got the right guy, and you've got these aggravating factors are going to be very easily convinced to this jury.